Ikulumo yanamhlanje yokuphendula kwenhlangano zepolotiki ivulwe nguSosbebhe womkhandlu weemfunda uSeiso Mohai. Uthi abantu abalila ngomengameli bona kawenza umsebenzi wakhe kuthi ukuthi ababoni emehlweni. Kunento ebaphandlako.
Only the blind will fail to see how you have invested more energies and resources in strengthening and repurposing the criminal justice system in line with its constitutional mandate of acting without fear or favor in the fight against crime and corruption.
Ithi yakhwela yazehlela phezu kwamengameli Ramaphosa bona akunanto ayenzako ngobulelesi obuhageleko. Yathi amaSewula Afrika aphila ngokwesaba ngombana inarha le iphethe zinlelesi ezebela abantu abatlhagako. Kodwana ubaphendula ungqongqotjhe wezokuhlaliswa kwabantu uMamuluku kubayi. Uthi ingathani yathula nakungiyo ngombana kukunje kunesiqhenyana samakhuwa esihlorisa abantu abanzima bona bangakhe emadrobheni.
Mr. President, South Africans are less safe today than they were when you came to office, and that's a fact. How can we possibly feel safe when we are governed by a criminal syndicate that steals from the poor to give to the politically connected? A government run by a political party in which political killings have become standard operating procedure to climb the patronage ladder.
This group is motivated by mixture of racism and disdain for the poor and the working class. They regard the poor in the cities as refugees who must be rounded up and shipped back to the rural areas. Every time our government acquires land for human settlements, honorable members, for these families, this group stands up to say very loudly, not in our neighborhood.
Kuthe ngemva kwalapho iFF yasahlela iANC yathi ekwazi ukweba nokusebenzisana namakhuwa nemali. Batsho kukunje kunebandlululo khulu solo kwaphathi iANC. Begodwa izokuwa ukuya phambili ngombana abantu benarha le badiniwe ngayo.
The ANC has perpetuated apartheid economy and racial spatial planning. Nice and clean cities are for whites, and a few blacks and informal settlements are for the black majority.
Umkhuleko hlengwa weIFP utshela umengameli bona kuzokufanele aqotsha abongqongqotjhe bakhe ngombana bawenza umsebenzi wabo. Batsho lokho kwenza bona thathe yonke into ayifake ofisini kamengameli.
What is clear, Mr. President, is that every time your ministers don't perform, instead of firing them, you protect them by taking things into the presidency. Be decisive, Mr. President. Fire them. Don't have a nanny cabinet. I'll see you nanny.
Sasa kulindele bona umengameli uRamaphosa aphendule.